Hello, I'm in a 2018 Nissan Versa, and today I'm going to show you how to change the time. So first, you want the vehicle on, which this one currently is on. And then typically you want the radio on. Well, in this case, it doesn't look like it requires it, but I'll show you how to do it both ways. So the radio is off right now. So you'll just push this menu button. Clock's on. Yes, we want it on. If you wanted it off for some reason, you can turn it off. That turns it on, and then you push again. We're going to adjust the time. Yes, enter, and then here change hours. You just scroll up or down as needed. So then I'll enter, and then the minutes again, you'll just change these up or down as needed, and then push enter again, and that saves it for you. And then say if the radio's on when you're doing this, you'll just have more menu buttons to push through, but then we're back to the same clock on or off, which we want on. Just clock, yes, enter, and then your hours and minutes. Anyways, it's all saved now. You don't have to do anything else. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.